Hey guys, so I'm going to be rating my fidgets. So let's start. Okay, this one is a mochi. It's pretty dirty, but that doesn't matter. But I rate this a 8 out of 10. And then this one, it's like a tie-down on this side, the good side, and then the bad side is teal blue. So I'd rate this one a 7 out of 10. And then this one's broken. It's really delicate, but it's so good. So I'd rate this a 8 out of 10. This one is very delicate, so I'll rate this a 6 out of 10. It's okay. It's really rare. So now I'm gonna do this one. This one is really relaxing. So I'd rate this like a 9 out of 10. Monkey Noodle, my fave. Well, one of my faves. So this one is really cute. It's green, not my favorite color, but it's okay. Yeah, it's my least favorite color, but whatever. I actually really love this, so I'd rate this a 8 out of 10. Broken, so I love pop tubes in general. In general, I'd rate a 9 out of 10. This one, I'd rate a 7 out of 10. Third best Pop-It. It's really good. So I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. This one, my best Pop-It. So I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. There's better Pop-Its out there, actually. 9 out of 10. All right, let's see. I have this fidget spinner. It doesn't light up anymore, so this one I'd rate it a, I think, 8 out of 10. I would give a 9 out of 10, but it is what it is. This one, 9 out of 10. This one, the face is a little faded, so I'd say a 7 out of 10. This one's homemade, so 5 out of 10. This one lost its eye, so I'd say a 6 out of 10. Homemade, there's too much air in it, so 3 out of 10. This one's okay, 4 out of 10. This one, I'd say a 5 out of 10. This one is kind of broken. You can see like these edges, so, and it's multicolored, so I'd add it some, so I'd say 6 out of 10 for this one, I guess. So now I have this. It's a squishy. She smells really good. She's a great flavored, and her name's Grapey. This one's a 9 out of 10 because I love her. She's my little girl. And then broken mini Rubik's Cube, 0 out of 10.